Grafting lemon trees is a common practice used to propagate desired lemon varieties or to repair damaged lemon trees. Here are some tips for successful lemon grafting. Grafting lemon trees is a common practice used to propagate desired lemon varieties or to repair damaged lemon trees. Here are some tips for successful lemon grafting. Selecting rootstock. Choose a healthy and vigorous rootstock for grafting. Common rootstocks for lemon trees include rough lemon Citrus jambiri, Chor Citrange Citrus sinensis Ponchirus trifoliata, and sour orange Citrus aurantium. Select rootstocks that are compatible with the lemon sign you plan to graft onto them. Choosing signwood. Select signwood from a healthy lemon tree with desirable characteristics such as fruit quality, disease resistance, and growth habit. The signwood should be collected from young, actively growing shoots that are approximately pencil thick in diameter and free from disease or damage. Timing. The best time to graft lemon trees is during the active growing season, typically in late winter or early spring when temperatures are mild and the sap is flowing. Avoid grafting during periods of extreme heat or cold, as this can stress the plants and reduce grafting success. Grafting technique. There are several grafting techniques that can be used for lemon trees, including cleft grafting, whip pan-ton grafting, and bud grafting. Choose a grafting technique that is appropriate for the size of the rootstock and signwood, and follow proper grafting procedures to ensure a successful union between the two. Preparing the rootstock. Make a clean, diagonal cut at the top of the rootstock using a sharp grafting knife or pruning shears. For cleft grafting, split the top of the rootstock with a grafting chisel or knife to create a wedge-shaped opening for inserting the signwood. Joining the rootstock and sign. Insert the prepared signwood into the rootstock, making sure the cambium layers of both the rootstock and signwood align as closely as possible. Secure the graft union with grafting tape, rubber bands, or grafting clips to hold the two pieces together. Monitoring and care. Monitor the grafted lemon tree regularly for signs of growth and healing. Provide proper care, including regular watering, fertilization, and protection from extreme weather conditions to ensure the success of the graft.